Hey there! Thank you for watching my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this wristband. I made a little wristband for my USB stick. I bought one a while ago, but I lost it because it's so small and it's black. So I couldn't find it anymore, so I had to buy a new one. And I thought it would be convenient to make a kind of wristband, so I don't lose it again. So this is what I want to show you. I'm showing you how to make this complete wristband. It's in a star stitch. So let's get started. Okay, I've got my yarn and a 3mm hook. First of all, we are making a slip knot. And then this pattern calls for multiples of 2 plus 5. So I'm chaining 61 chains. Okay, so here are the 61 chains. Now yarn over, skip that first chain, and in the second chain drop a loop. In the next chain drop a loop. In the next chain drop a loop. And in the next chain drop a loop. 6 loops on your hook, drop a loop, and pull through all 6 loops on your hook. Chain 1. And now in this chain 1 drop a loop. If you look closely, here is one leg, one stitch where we need to drop a loop, and then go down. Here is the last stitch you drew up a loop with the first star. So in here drop a loop, 4 loops on your hook. So for now, for the next 2 chains, drop a loop. So we have 6 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through all 6 loops on our hook. Chain 1. So in this chain 1, drop a loop. In this leg over here, drop a loop. In the stitch below, drop a loop. For the next 2 stitches, drop a loop. 6 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 6 loops and chain 1. So continue this for the rest of this row, and I will be back with you when I'm at the end and show you how to crochet the end and row 2. Okay, so I have one more star stitch left because I have 2 chains left. This is my last star stitch. Also chain 1. Turn your work. Do not chain an extra one because we are going to make 2 single crochets in this chain 1 we did on the end or at the center of your star stitch. So in every chain 1 or in the center of your star stitch, make 2 single crochets. Just pull your work apart a little bit if you can't see where your stitch is. So continue this for the rest of this row, and I will be back with you at the end to show you how to assemble the wristband. Okay, so I have 1 space left, and I'll make 2 single crochets. And then in the top over here, make a slip stitch. As you can see, row 2 is the wrong side of your work and row 1 is the right side of your work. And to make it onto your USB stick, let's face the wrong side up and then fold it over. So the wrong sides are on the inside now. Leave that loop over here and take your crochet hook and put it on the front. Grab your loop and put it through this stitch and then chain 1. And now I'm making with single crochets through both of the crochet sides. Make single crochets. So if you want to do it like this, then you need to chain approximately 15 chains. And then attach that on this side with a slip stitch. So I'm not going to finish it off because I want to show you something more. But what I did, I do not have an extra USB stick with this hole in it, but I'm using this keychain. So what you want to do is to make sure you are folding this over and then put it in that hole of your USB stick. And then open it and take the wristband and put it through the hole, and then just make sure it's tight. And what I did is the extra long tail I left, I just wrapped it around this this piece of crochet yarn over here. This piece over here, so then it looks like this. If you want to make it like a keychain, what you can do is this. Just don't make the extra chains, leave them, and don't attach both sides of the wristband. But what you want to do is to take your keychain and put one end through it, and then just attach it like this with single crochets, and then you have your keychain. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope you liked it, and maybe you can make some wristbands for yourself too. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them, or if you have a question to make something else on a video, if you have something in mind, then just ask me in the description below, and I'll see if I can make something for you on video. And for now, just happy crocheting. Bye bye.